See if I can light a match.
Well, first let's see this lighter. Like, I don't understand why you can't light a lighter.
Oh, no.
Well, they are child-proof. They're supposed to be child-proof.
I'm in my second childhood.
You are in your second
It
childhood.
doesn't even turn.
What do you mean it doesn't even turn?
I was sitting there lighting it while you were playing with these. So I know it works.
I found that has a blitzer on it.
Your son's good. Your son's got a blitzer on.
Should we see if you can light a match?
I was able to light this once in a while.
Well,
Evidently, that's not the case anymore.
Guess not.
Asani, come out here. We'll teach you how to light the lighter. What are you doing?
Finding a match for her?
Do we have matches?
Of course we have matches.
You got those big old...
Stick matches?
I have the great big long ones, too.
Oh, no.
I'm not giving her one of those, though. That would be...
She just...
That would be dangerous.
I'll show you. She's just going to break those.
They're not even been opened yet. Hang on.
Good thing I don't need to use these very often.
Oh, jeez.
Well, why don't you tell the world, Mom, what brought all this on in the first place?
I was trying to light an incense stick in the bathroom. And they left me with this lighter that's empty.
It's not empty. It's just...
And then give me 2 lighters.
Okay, so let's see if you can handle a match.
Careful.
Let's see if I can...
She can't even open the box.
Yeah.
You got that fire extinguisher ready, Dave?
I want to see her. I want to see if she can even light it.
If she can even... She can't close the box.
You know, by the time you
Oh, sorry.
I think one of the questions was, have you laughed hard today?
Have you laughed hard today? What was that?
One of those questions on that game thing.
Oh.
Oops, I get
Go ahead, MeMaw. Light that end.
no wonder you.
Oh!
Oh, yay!
Look at that. We have flame.
What happens if I put it in the box now?
Don't. Does it stink?
Smells like a match.
A little bit.
Okay, so should we...
Give me these in the bathroom instead of...
Where are you going to put those, though, after you get done lighting your incense?
I'm going to flush them.
No, you are not.
We're not, we're not on an outhouse system.
We're not pirates.
Flush them.
Put them in the cat litter box.
What?
That's where I put a lot of stuff when I throw it away. Like Q-tips and stuff.
Why?
Because it's handy. It's right there.
No wonder I get stabbed in the garbage and everything. Yes, I did.
Yes, he does. You stabbed him with a pen the other day.
Pen.
Yes.
Did I throw away a pen?
Somebody
Yes.
threw away a pen. One of these days, I told Lorrie I was pissed, too.
He was really mad at me. It was
Come
your
out there and had
fault.
an ink mark across my wrist where it got me. And I told her, I says, one of these days you women are going to cut an artery and I'm not going to be able to stop it by the time the ambulance get here and I'll just bleed out.
I don't remember throwing it. I don't remember throwing a pen away that
So
would...
then, after
would
we
be
tried to
working.
kill him,
I don't remember throwing a pen away that would be working.
Well, it
working
wasn't
pen.
working
Well, it must have worked. He had ink all over him, he said. It worked.
for a second, maybe, and then maybe it died.
Did it die after that? Or could it?
That's when I checked it and said, oh, god dang it, you're throwing away good ones too on top of it.
After he stabbed with the pen, he checked it. He
After I
double checked
slashed
it.
my wrist, I don't have to worry about, calling suicide hotline because my family's going to do it for me. Keep putting that stuff in the garbage. Eventually, he'll cut his wrists.
Well, and then
It might not have been my garbage.
I'm pretty sure it was.
Why? Why are you sure it was? I don't even have pens anymore.
She can't make them work either.
But here, what was funny is I was trying to defend you and your foolish actions. And I said, well, what do you expect us to do with the pen? If we don't throw it in the garbage, what are we supposed to do with it? Are we supposed to just pile them on your desk and let you take care of it? And do you know what he did?
What did he do?
He took it apart into pieces and said, you do this.
Oh, when I throw it away, next time I throw a pen away, I take it apart first?
Yeah.
I would appreciate it.
Yeah.
I don't usually throw pens away that are, unless they're not working. And it was obviously a working pen.
It's just like any pen that runs out of ink. There is always a little residue on there. Just enough.
To sign my name.
Just
Half
enough.
sign your
To a
name.
new will.
To a new will.
God.
I'm sorry, but anything you sign right now anymore is
Isn't
not
any
valid because I am your power of attorney.
She's got to agree to it.
I have to let you make those changes. I have to agree that you're of sound mind
Oh, that wouldn't be.
to be able to make those changes.
That might be a little difficult nowadays.
To prove she's of sound mind.
No, really, Judge, she's a sound mind.
Yeah, here, look at
Look,
these videos.
She can run lighters and everything.
She can really take care of things.
Care of herself.
Oh no, we're not letting her do that.
Sure, she can have her driver's license back.
I was just thinking I want to go back to that tea farm and get some Earl Grey to go with the green that I got.
So what?
Well, I was thinking we could go on Monday, but I think they're closed on Monday.
Don't you have a cleaner coming Monday?
Yes, well that's the only time we can really... Unless you want to come. It's a nice drive.
Where is it? I don't. That's a highlight of my life. It's driving around with Lorrie going to tea places. And then after we get done with tea, we'll run up to the honey shop.
It was funny.
No, they actually sell local honey there. It's from a different shop.
Oh, great.
They're from a different honey place, but it says it's local.
Do they have a cafe there where you can have tea and crumpets?
They had a little seating area outside, and they had sample tea.
Do they sell crumpets?
I did not see any crumpets.
Did you see anything?
Jeez.
If they don't have,
There's lots of tea.
if they don't have good food, what's the use of going?
Oh, God.
Oh, I want more. I want some Earl Grey to go so that I can mix with my green. Because I was wondering, I was trying to remember how I got my mix of Earl Grey and green before, and it's because I mixed Earl Grey and green before. I thought I had bought a mix of a green Earl Grey, but I hadn't. I
I'm not
bought.
gonna take those matches with me because I might use them or something.
I
I'm not gonna
bought
take
green
those with me.
tea.
You might use them?
What are you going to use them for?
I don't know, to set you on fire.
No, we could probably, That's the hard luck. Your mom's in there trying to light her incense, and we got to call the fire department because she couldn't get that lit. But she's in there on flames. Flames. Quick, put your mother out again.
Usually we're not going in your bathroom, Mother. So unless you're planning on going
Unless it
right
drifts out
back
in the
there
hall.
again, or it's drifting out. If it's so bad, it's wafting into the hallway. You might want
It wasn't even bad this time.
Wafting into.
It wasn't even
What
bad
the
this time.
heck? What's wafting?
Wafting. Floating on air.
It's wafting! Help! Help! Quick! Get her out! It's wafting!
It's wafting. It's floating.
You guys are an idiot. Jeez.
Did you have one of Sherry's brownies?
No.
She brought them special for you.
She did, and you didn't even come in and say hi to her.
I was trying to figure out, make it a pattern for your stupid little holders.
I love you.
That makes it all better.
That's why she said it. When you get irritated, she just says, I love you. And then what do you say?
Uh-huh.
Can you continue being mad then?
Me?
Yeah.
If I get that mad, I usually walk away. I've never been that mad with her, I don't think.
I don't think so.
Because I know I have a bad problem with that if I get that mad.
Do you?
I don't.
You gonna light somebody on fire?
Oh, I wouldn't light anybody on fire. Well, unless they deserved it. I don't want no wafting afterwards.
The wafting is the best part, honey.
Oh my God.
It's true. Oh my goodness. So I made a bunch of coasters yesterday.
Yeah, but you can't take them and sell them yet. They're not cured or any of that.
Yeah, they're not cured.
That's got to.
I can almost start resining the first ones I made.
Oh.
They've been sitting for a little over a week now.
Well, I gotta.
As in they're prepping records.
I gotta see if that thing stayed glued together so I can use it as a pattern before I can do anything else. I mean, it should be dry by now, I guess. I ain't gonna go out there and look on it. And stuff.
I ruined most of my bookmarks that I tried to make by laminating them.
Wow.
They didn't really want to laminate because they were too thick.
Oh.
So I didn't properly laminate them. And then when I took them out, I thought, well, maybe I'll take them apart and glue them together because I've got two pieces of paint
Why wouldn't they laminate?
stuck together because they were too thick.
There's a really there's a thickness you can't go by. I thought you could laminate anything.
No. It has to be something pretty much flat.
Why? It's thicker than a credit card,
It's about the thickness of a credit card.
and you can't laminate them.
Right. I mean, you can laminate them, but it's not going to be like a airtight seal around the edges. All right, you're gonna have big gaps.
So what do they use when they do your like driver's license and stuff?
They don't laminate your driver's license. It's made out of plastic.
Alright.
They used to laminate them
Yeah, I was gonna say they used to.
back in the day.
Alright. I don't know what to tell you.
Yeah, you just have to make more.
Apparently.
Don't let me forget to call the
Oh God,
hairdresser
here we go with the don't let me forget crap.
on Monday
Do what?
to tell her that you're not coming in for a haircut with me.
It hasn't been. Mine hasn't been.
You're having a haircut Monday?
Friday.
Hey.
Actually, remind me to call Tuesday because Monday's a holiday.
How does Monday change into Friday just like that?
Because Monday, actually Tuesday, she wants to call her to tell her that I won't be going in on Friday.
What?
So that she has time to rebook the appointment. I don't want to go in at the last minute and say, oh yeah, the other appointment that you had booked for this time isn't going to show up. That's kind of rude. You wanted to come down for a trim.
Okay, remind me Monday to call Tuesday for Friday.
No, remind me Tuesday to call and let her know that you won't be there on Friday.
Well, why'd you jump from Monday to Tuesday then?
Because Monday's a holiday. I doubt if she'll be open, so I can't really call her.
Oh, that's right. You're just there's.
I could call her and leave a message, but
You better call her.
You call her right now and leave a message.
no, I can't.
So Mondays, what's Monday?
Thanksgiving.
Oh, that's right. You guys and your Thanksgiving in October.
What's wrong with that, honey? That's when the harvest is in Canada.